Hello guys, I'm Becky from Tech Machinery, Seagoods Recycling.
Hello everybody, this is Liborio from Marposs Taiwan. Ciao Becky.
Today we're going to introduce our CNC cylindrical grinder, Genie, a compact grinder ideal for small diameters with flexible integration and high efficiency. The floor space is less than 3 square meters, made from mean-light cast iron to support good stability. It's with 20-inch size wheel to maintain its grinding capacity. With a graphical conversational program, the machine is easy to program for different setups and applications.
Okay Becky, so let's focus more on Marposs benefits that Marposs bring it to the grinding machine.
Yes, what makes the Mini Genie stand out is its flexibility and efficiency through flexible optional accessories.
Exactly. So let's take a close look to our Marposs BLÚ system.
No problem.
Our touch probes helps with precise alignment and automatic positioning to save time and reducing error. Also, we need to notice that our BLÚ system provides a modular platform for process control and machining monitoring. Includes functions like auto-sizing, well balancing, and improved grinding stability and process.
Exactly. Another key feature is our modular robotic arm. It allows automatic loading and loading of multiple workpieces from the designated tray into the chuck. The robot can handle 2 parts at once, rotating and unloading the finished workpiece after grinding without interrupting production. The robot arm and the plate can all be customized. If you're looking for the full automation application, send us a drawing and we will simulate for you.
That's where BLÚ makes a real difference. Compared with traditional gauging system, BLÚ is easy to install and bring measurement, process monitoring, and most important, do real data analysis together with one cable and just one only network. We need to remember that also BLÚ system is coming with a fully automated solution. BLÚ system provides you the ability to let the machine take care of the accuracy itself. Easy to operate, save the operation time and reducing human error. Do the data analysis automatically, easy for operator to check the accuracy every time the machine is working.
That's right. If you're looking for micro-precision machining solutions, feel free to contact us. We will be at IMTS Chicago show starting September 14th to 19th. North Building, 203-6922. Thank you so much, Liborio.
Thank you, Becky.
See you soon.
Bye bye. See ya.